Hey guys, so we're in St.Francisville, Louisiana. We made it to our beautiful.
Struggling. We just got paid. No one needs to be struggling. There is no need for this. You knew about this ahead of time. There was no need for the struggle being real. Being real.
Because this is what it means to be a last minute person, right, Claude?
No, not even.
Check out our room, y'all. You got a porn chair over here. God knows what's happening in that chair. I mean, we got some cute beds or whatever. We got some cable here.
I don't have cable in my house.
We got a cute mirror. So we're very excited to be here, right, Annabelle? Are we excited, Annabelle?
Not at all. Send help.
How you feeling?
Dirty.
Dirty. I love dirty.
Yeah, me too. At home.
You guys, we might die.
No.
Period.
We might get an infection, but
I mean, if we catch COVID, well.
are those stains on the wall?
As long as they're not plastic.
Yeah, sure.
My chin.
You guys, we made it through the night.
Barely made it.
We barely made it. We were possessed at one point. How do you feel, Annabelle? I mean,
I feel like my allergies. I'm gonna need to go see like one of those lung specialists when we get back into town. This is just not.
I'm congested all around.
I feel
I
like we caught like some mold in our
I
noses or
feel
something.
like I look pretty much right now.
This is how she feels.
This is how she looks.
Oh my God. What a tragic night, guys. But thankfully, our friend Annabelle here was able to find us a new hotel. Right, Claude?
Yes. We'll be moving rooms by 3 p.m. We just gotta figure out what to do until then.
Yes.
Let's go play with them alligators.
And thanks.
She said, let's go play with them alligators.
Oh, I need to take a second Valerie.
Also, I want to give you guys an overlook of what it actually looks. Okay, here we go. We got the state-of-the-art blinds.
I can't open them.
We have two, what are they, full-size beds.
Full size bed.
This what?
4 grown-ass adults.
The restroom looks horrendous. There's like this secret door here. That leads to another door. Who knows if they watched us sleep last night, right?
We didn't. We were awake. FYI, yeah, if anyone can sleep anywhere, it's Jocelyn and Nancy.
Yeah, I honestly knocked out. Like, I was so tired.
We were like, is she snoring? And then we hear you, and then we hear Nancy.
Look at this restroom. It's disgusting. And I keep getting locked into this restroom somehow.
It's just controlling you. And look at the.
Oh my God, the flicker.
Look at the tub.
Look at that crack.
Did you get the back of the wall?
Oh my God, no. Look at this. I'm posting this on Google. I don't know. I feel like I'll catch fungus if I...
Yeah, we didn't attempt to shower.
Disgusting. Yeah, that's about it, you know. Did they even have a blow dryer? Oh, they do have a blow dryer.
Blow job.
I know, blow dryer.
Plenty of those happen in this building.
Yeah.
We were afraid to get some kind of STD last night.
Thankfully, we're fine now. We found another hotel. Claude, are you still recording me? Where are you recording me? This is for my vlog channel.
This is for Valerie.
Oh, this is for Valerie. So yeah, we found another hotel. Guys, where's the hotel at? I mean, look at this view. We got little pine trees, you know. We can't say that we didn't get a room without a view. That's for sure. That's for sure, right, Claude? This great, beautiful view that we only stayed for not even like 10 hours. It's horrendous. Even got like these hotels where they don't even have nothing in it and it's like super ratchet. Why is this lady staring at me? Goodbye, pond of the alligators. It's very deceiving, y'all. You see, it's so nice, little river. Look at this view.
But then look at the pocket.
Look at all these ginormous, but be careful. No, go on this side. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Look at all this. What's going on? Google reviews.
I feel like I need to go on this side now.
So we made it to a little, oh, it's closed, boo. We made it to a little town. Look at all this Louisiana gear. You guys, look at my hand and look at my michelada. Are we excited to get Litty Titty?
Oh, we are.
Litty Titty. So we're at Cameron's wedding.
We made it and we are alive. And guess what? I have all my organs. I was so concerned last night. I did not want to become an unsolicited organ donor.
Period. So here we have the venue. Cheers. Oh fuck my. My friend is
The wedding decorator. What is it called?
a centerpiece's friend.
Okay,
Okay, hold on. Okay, go.
Guys, I have the centerpieces for us. Jocelyn is picking hers up from that table. We're good to go in like an hour.